Hello viewers, today in this video we will talk about modern sofa set design ideas. Dear viewers, a sofa set is the counterpiece of any living room. It not only provides comfort but also reflects the style and taste of your home. Choosing the right design is important based on your space, theme and utility. Here are some of sofa set design ideas to inspire you. First of all, modern minimalism design. These sofas feature clean lines, simple shapes, and neutral colors like gray, beige, or white. They work well in small apartments or homes with contemporary interiors. Materials used are usually leather or soft fabric with metal or wood legs. On the second number, traditional wooden carved sofa. For a culture and regal look, opt for a traditional carved wooden sofa. These are made from shisham or teak wood with rich patterns, often paired with velvet or embroidered cushions. These sofas are ideal for drawing rooms or guest areas. Modular or sectional sofa. This flexible design includes separate pieces you can rearrange as needed. Ideal for larger families or open plan rooms, it allows creative layouts and is easy to move. Perfect for smaller spaces or guest rooms, these sofas offer seating by day and a bed by night. When selecting a sofa set, consider durability, fabric size, and your home's color theme. A well-chosen sofa not only provides comfort but also enhances the overall ambience of your living space.